In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book now and pay later in Agoda, a convenient option for those looking to plan their travels without immediate financial commitment. We all love the ease and convenience of booking our travel plans within a few clicks, but sometimes we want a little flexibility on the payment end. This guide will walk you through the steps on how to utilize this feature on Agoda's website. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Agoda official site. You can do this by entering the web address into your browser's search bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, your next move is to click on the Hotels option found on the top navigation menu. This will direct you to a broader selection of accommodations and deals. Following that, you'll notice a sub-option labeled as Stays. Give that a click. This section will further filter your search to include a variety of lodging options, from hotels to inns and more, based on your destination preferences. At this point, you're ready to enter your desired destination in the search box. Whether you're planning a trip to a bustling city or seeking tranquility near nature, simply type the location you have in mind. Hit enter and it will bring up the accommodations available in that area. This search functionality helps you view a wide range of places that fit your destination needs. Next, it's time to pick the dates for your stay. Click on the calendar icon and select your check-in and check-out dates. Remember, the availability and pricing of options may vary depending on the dates you choose, so it's always a good idea to have some flexibility with your schedule whenever possible. Once you have entered your destination and chosen your dates, click the Search button. This button is prominently displayed, usually near the top or bottom of the screen. Clicking it will trigger Agoda's system to look for all the available accommodations that match your criteria. When the list of available accommodations appears, you'll find a variety of options to choose from. But to specifically find places that offer the Book Now, Pay Later option, look on the left sidebar of your screen where you will find the filters. Here, you can look for a payment option labeled Book Now, Pay Later. Selecting this filter will adjust your listing results to show only the accommodations that offer you this option. Finally, once you've set your preferences, explore these tailored results to find the perfect home away from home. Once you've decided on a place, simply click on the Book Now, Pay Later button associated with that option. This approach provides peace of mind because while your booking is secured, the payment becomes due closer to your travel date. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of booking now and paying later on Agoda. Enjoy planning your travels with this added layer of flexibility and financial ease. Safe travels and happy booking.